Hi, we meet again. So number two, I think you can try to do by your own because it's quite similar compared to the first example that we have discussed just now. Uh, so in this video, I picked question number four. Question number four here as our discussion, which is what happened if we try to deal with integration by part to answer this kind of question. Okay, let us see it in the whiteboard. Okay, so this is the things that we have discussed just now, so let me clear it. Okay, let us write again what is the formula just now. So I have a problem here. So let's say if we try to integrate sorry, let's go back to our PDF. Okay, so now let's say the value of we need to find two values, which is the first one should be the value of u and the second one should be the value of your dv. Okay, so the value of u and dv. So in order for you to use or to find the suitable function for you, we need to determine what is the category of x and what is the category of your ex. So x here fall into the category of A, algebra, and exponent for x is actually your E. So based on the word LIATE, okay, we can say that A come first before E. So this place is reserved for algebra, which is x squared. Algebra is x squared. And this place is exponent for x. So you are going to fill in this part with exponent. So here, what happened to the x? We just need to write it back there. Okay. All right, so you already get u and dv. So let us continue to find the du. So if you still remember last video, in order for you to get u to du, you need to differentiate this part. Okay, you need to differentiate. So differentiate x power of 2, you are supposed to get here 2x. And don't forget to mention the value of dx there. And here from dv, we are going to get the value of v. So in order for you to get the value of v, so you need to integrate. I hope you can go back to chapter 1 and study what happened if we try to integrate exponent of 4x dx. You are supposed to get here, the answer will be 1 over 4 exponent 4x. So how you get this one, you need to refer to the chapter 1. Or you can ask me later on this part. So you are going to get here 1 over 4 exponent 4x plus with c. We are supposed to get the plus c, but here, since we are at the starting point, so no need to write the plus c from the beginning. Okay, so let us recall what is the formula of integration by part. So the formula of integration by part is uv minus integration v du. So let us try to substitute this value and this value uv. So you are going to get here, okay, you can try to do it by your own to replace the value. I suppose you are going to get here 1 over 4 x power of 2 e power of 4x. Okay, you need to rearrange it, minus with the integration of 2 multiplied by 1 over 4. So it will be the integration of 2 multiplied with 1 over 4 x exponent 4x dx. So if you see here, you still have a integrals, so you need to continue. But here, this is our constant, so you can simplify it and put it at the front. So which is, you are going to get here, it is equals to 1 over 4 x to the power of 2 exponent for x. I write it again. So minus with the integrals of 2 divided by 4, it will be 1 over 2 integrate x e for x. Okay, if you look carefully on this part, you can say that you still have two functions, which is fx and gx. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to again, to answer this part, again, you need to deal with IBP. Why? Because we have two functions, which is, this is algebra and this is our exponent. So you have two functions in terms of multiplication. Again, you need to find what is the value of u and what is the value of dv and what is the value of du and what is the value of v. So again, in order to find the value of u, it will be algebra versus trigo. Okay, algebra versus trigo. Okay. So algebra come first, so algebra will be here. So differentiate x, we are going to get dx. So dv will be exponent for x. So we already deal with the integrals of exponent for x. If you look back into this part, exponent for x will be 1 over 4. So we are going to get here 1 over 4 exponent for x. Okay, please be careful there with when you try to integrate and differentiate. Make sure you use the correct formula for it. So what happened now? Okay, let me adjust the page now. Okay, next. Okay, what happened? Because we already get the answer here, so you need to bring it to the bottom, which is you still get 1 over 4 x squared e for x. Get here minus with 1 over 2, so it will be minus with 1 over 2. Okay, starting from the integrals up to the dx here, you can start to replace it with the formula of IBP, which is uv minus integration du. So this is your new equation of u, du, dv, and v. So let us replace it again. So you are going to get here 1 over 4 x x squared e power of 4x minus with 1 over 2. So the value of your uv, let us do it quickly. 1 over 4 x e for x. Okay, because you multiply by v. So v du minus with integration of v du 1 over 4. You can put 1 over 4 at the front. 1 over 4 e for x dx. So in order for you to open the bracket, you need to multiply both of the elements with 1 over 2. So this one. So you are going to get here 1 over 4 x squared e for x minus with 1 over 8 x e for x. So minus and minus, we are going to get here plus with 1 over 8 integrate e for x. Yes, okay. Okay, the last part, you need to simplify this thing. You need to eliminate the exponent and the integrals there. So you are going to get 1 over 4 x squared e for x minus with 1 over 8 x e for x plus with, okay, integrate exponent for x dx. You can refer to the this part. This is your answer. So 1 over 4 multiply with 1 over 8, you are going to get 1 over 32. 8 times 4 is 32, is it? So you're going to get 1 over 32 e 4x plus with c. That's your final answer, right? Okay, so basically what I'm going to say here is if you have x power of 2 and 4x, so basically you need to deal with integration by part twice. If I change here into 3, I change here into, this is power 2, so if I change it into 3x cubed, let's say we have a new question there, integrate x cubed e 4x dx. So we need to do the we need to deal with the integration by part 3 times. Okay, is there any shortcut for it? So yes, of course we have a shortcut for it, which is we can use tabular form. So let me show you in the next video on how to solve the question number 4 by using a shortcut or using another method. Okay, so see you in the next video.